Welcome to Wealth Ideology Journey. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. Do you ever feel like your paycheck just disappears? One moment, you have money in your account, and the next, it's gone, leaving you wondering where it all went. If you're tired of this cycle and want to take control of your finances, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down a simple paycheck routine that you should follow every time you get paid to build a solid foundation for your financial future. By following this routine, you'll have a clear plan, make sure your bills are covered, and even start building wealth, all with the money you already have. Part 1. Pay yourself first. The first step in your paycheck routine is to pay yourself first. This means putting a portion of your paycheck into savings or investments before doing anything else. The goal is to treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your paycheck. This could go toward an emergency fund, retirement accounts, or investment accounts. By doing this, you're ensuring that you're building wealth from the start, and it won't get lost in spending. Make it automatic if you can. Set up automatic transfers so you don't even have to think about it. Part 2. Cover your bills and obligations. After you've saved, it's time to take care of your bills and financial obligations. This includes things like rent, utilities, car payments, credit card bills, and any other monthly expenses. It's important to make sure these necessities are covered first, as they help keep your lifestyle secure. If you haven't already, set up bill pay reminders or automate your payments so you don't miss any deadlines. This step ensures that you stay on top of your financial commitments and avoid any late fees or disruptions to your services. Part 3. Pay off debt strategically. Next, after covering your bills, focus on paying down debt. If you have any high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, it's crucial to prioritize paying it off. Debt is like a leak in your financial boat. It keeps draining your resources. Focus on paying off the most expensive debts first, while making minimum payments on others. If you have multiple debts, you can use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to determine the best strategy. The goal is to reduce the amount of interest you're paying over time and free up your money for savings and investments. Part 4. Allocate for discretionary spending. Now that you've saved and covered your obligations, it's time for your discretionary spending. This is the money you can spend on things that aren't essential, like entertainment, dining out, shopping, or hobbies. But here's the key. Don't let this money get out of hand. Create a budget for fun that allows you to enjoy life while still maintaining control over your spending. Set limits and stick to them so you don't overspend. This will help you live in the moment while still securing your future. Part 5. Plan for long-term goals with your bills covered and discretionary spending in place. It's time to think about your long-term financial goals. These might include saving for a down payment on a house, building your retirement savings, or putting money aside for your children's education. Every time you get paid, take a moment to reassess your long-term goals and decide where you want to allocate a little extra money to those goals. You might not always have the ability to make huge contributions, but even small contributions can go a long way over time. Start thinking of your paycheck as a tool that helps you build the life you want, not just a way to pay bills. Part 6. Treat yourself wisely. Yes, you work hard for your money, and you deserve to treat yourself from time to time, but treating yourself wisely is key. Don't fall into the trap of impulse spending. Instead, set aside a specific amount of money each paycheck for treats and rewards, whether it's a meal out, a new outfit, or a weekend getaway. By planning for these things in advance, you can enjoy them guilt-free without sacrificing your financial goals. Part 7. Reevaluate and adjust your routine regularly. Your paycheck routine isn't set in stone. As life changes, whether it's a salary increase, a new expense, or a financial goal, you need to reevaluate and adjust your routine regularly. It's important to check in with your finances every few months to make sure you're on track and to adjust your routine if necessary. For example, as you pay down debt or increase your savings, you can allocate more money to investments or savings. Flexibility and consistent reevaluation are key to financial success. Part 8. Automate where possible. Automation is your best friend when it comes to managing your money. After you've set up your paycheck routine, take advantage of automatic transfers for your savings, investments, bill payments, and even discretionary spending. The more you can automate, the less mental energy you'll need to spend on managing your finances. It also eliminates the risk of forgetting to pay something or failing to save when life gets busy. Part 9. Keep track of your progress. Tracking your financial progress is essential to understanding where you're at and where you need to improve. Whether you use an app, a spreadsheet, or a simple notebook, keeping track of your income, savings, expenses, and debt is crucial. Regularly reviewing your financial situation helps you stay motivated and ensures you're moving closer to your goals. This also helps you spot any areas where you might be overspending or undersaving, so you can adjust your routine accordingly. Part 10. Stay consistent and be patient. Achieving financial success is not about quick wins or overnight transformations. It's about consistency, discipline, and patience. The final part of your paycheck routine is to stay consistent and be patient with your financial habits. Whether you're saving, investing, or managing your expenses, the key to long-term success is making small intentional actions a regular part of your routine. These consistent efforts, no matter how small they may seem in the moment, build up over time to create a strong financial foundation. Think of it like planting seeds. Initially, you may not see significant growth, but with time, those seeds will flourish into something much greater. Staying consistent means showing up every time you get paid, putting your money to work, and sticking to the plan, even when progress feels slow. In the beginning, you might not notice major changes, but remember that financial success is a gradual process. Each paycheck is an opportunity to take one more step toward your goals, whether that's building an emergency fund, paying down debt, or increasing your investments. The key is not to get discouraged by short-term setbacks or the temptation to make big risky moves to catch up quickly. Patience is just as crucial as consistency. Trust the process and understand that the compound effect of your efforts will eventually pay off. Over time, those small contributions and disciplined habits will add up, leading to a significant change in your financial situation. Creating a paycheck routine is a game changer when it comes to managing your money and building wealth. By paying yourself first, covering your obligations, tackling debt, and investing in your future, you'll be well on your way to financial stability and success. Remember, the key is consistency. Do this every time you get paid, and you'll be amazed at how much progress you can make. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more personal finance tips and strategies. Keep making smart financial moves, and I'll see you in the next video.